I have a husband, 2 sons, and 3 grandsons. I always thought they had an advantage when it came to camping and any kind of outdoor activity because they could pee standing up. I'm revising my thinking on that one. Frank can't get up anymore. And so I've been trying to learn how to use the handheld urinal and a different kind of diaper. And I have failed unbelievably. Last night, I tried to put him to bed. I'm still able to lift him and get him to bed. And I thought, oh, I'm done. He said, I have to pee. And I tried using the urinal, and it was every place. And I couldn't move him to get the place cleaned up. So today I'm going to have an incontinence film festival on YouTube and try and master this skill. I need it.